Oh my gosh, Camtasia has kicked me out again. So after another 20 minutes of losing my recording, I have had to start over again. I'm going to just show you with you can look and listen to his and create the shapes if your face seems to accommodate that shape that he's done. Basically what he did was the same thing that he did with his nose. He created a basic shape for the left hand side, then he reflected it, and with the reflected as well as the original shape chosen, he joined them in the Pathfinder panel. I didn't find that to work very well for me. I didn't like the way the shape looked, and so what I did instead was just use the pen tool, and I used the width profile 1 for the width of the brush, and I just drew lines that I felt better reflected what my face shape was. And then I did the same thing with my eye, although I do real quickly want to show you what he did with his cornea and his iris and his lid, just to make it a little bit simpler for you. The first thing that he did, and I'm just going to do it with a pencil because I think that'll go more quickly, is he drew a shape that was very similar to a, see if I can close that out, to that half moon look. Now I'm going to select that and make sure I can add color to it if I needed to. Okay. I don't like the way this is overlapping, so I am going to try to select one of those and get rid of one of those points. Then I'm going to get the pencil tool again, and I'm just going to click on this and join it here. The way I'm going to join it, because I'm not sure that it's joined, is I'm going to get the direct selection tool, and I'm going to select these two endpoints. Then I'm going to go up under Object, Path, and Join. And I still don't like that very well, so let's go in here even closer. And see if I can make that work a little bit better. Zoom out here. Alright, so there is the shape basically of how he drew his eye. Then he got the basic shape of the ellipse and held down the Option and Shift to draw from the inside out to draw the cornea. And then he picked up some brown color someplace, I'm not sure where, but we'll just fill ours with brown. Now you see my both the fill as well as the stroke color is filled with brown. And the way that I picked up that color was with the swatches panel. Then what I would do is copy the cornea to to complete the iris. So then do a copy, Command C for copy, and Command V, no I'm sorry, Command F to paste in front. And then we're going to go up to Object, and we're going to transform that by scaling it. Let's see, I probably 50% is enough, maybe 35%. And click OK. And then we're going to pick up that as black. I'm going to click and drag that into the stroke as well, so I have a black. And then what he's also done is taken that and copied, Command C and Command F to just paste it in front again. And then I think he filled that one with white. And then he just bumped that over a bit. Made the stroke white on that as well. and then also made this little half moon shape white. And then he used, rather than the uniform stroke, he went down to the width profile 1 to make that a little bit less severe around it. Now I would probably select all of that and just kind of squish it all down because it looks kind of fat. Let's see if that's any better. And reshape it to the extent that you need to for your eye. Obviously this is drawn not in proportion to his, but is intended to show you the process if that's how you choose to create your eye. Okay, before I run out of space again, I am going to save this and I will start working on the other eye in our next video. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow.